Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable comments on your Instagram story using the Instagram app. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. To disable comments on your Instagram story, you need to open the Instagram app and then open your profile. Now tap on the three dots icon. Now scroll down and select the comments option. Select stories. Here you can select specific people to stop commenting on your stories, or to select off to disable comments from your stories altogether. If you also want to disable direct messages and story replies, you should go back to settings and privacy and then tap on messages and story replies and then select don't allow story replies. That's all it takes to disable comments on your Instagram story. If this video was helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.